Welcome to Henry's RC Garage. We have our Axial Jeep CJ7 Genrite Off-Road Edition on the bench today. We're going to install a 6-inch LED bar from Vanquish, light bar. And with the ready to run, it came with these pillars for a light bar mount. So we'll just put those here and we will mount our light bar too. And this is a 6-inch, so 6-inch fits perfectly on here. And with that, we also got some rock lights that Axial makes for the 10.3 inner fenders. So we're just going to bolt those right in and hook them to our receiver, and we'll have power for those. So let's get our body off and let's get this thing going for our light bar. Let's move our light bar over here and get our body. We will move our chassis out of the way. So we're gonna install the new pillar right here. So let's get that going. So we'll need a 1.5 millimeter screw to take out the screws. Okay, put that aside, and then we will get our screw back here, and we will put the top one in ever so slightly. We get a hole over here that we're going to Okay, now we have our pillars on, we've got our mirrors back on, and now everything is all tightened up. Now let's put the light bar on. And the Vanquish it already comes with the light bar screws. So we're going to put it in like this, and then we'll route our wire . Wow. All right, so now I've got to route this after I fix my mistake. I need to route this on the other side of this pillar here. There we have. We've got our light bar on and we routed it down and through. Now it's just a matter of, let me put this in before I break it. So we kind of just zip tied it to that mount that was right there. All right. So with this, we have a controller. This is a Hawk 8 amp RC switch. So with that, we have a direct connection to our battery, and this is what the switch looks like. So one end goes into the light bar and one end goes into our battery, and this end goes into our receiver. So let's hook this up to our light bar. So we're gonna take our little, well, let's just unhook this with a temporary, and we're going to turn this around, and then we've got our receiver right here. So we just need to plug this into a port. So we're going to put this in channel 7. This end will go to our battery, like that. So since our receiver needs to be set up, so I need to go in and set up channel 7. And there you go. It's bright. And there we have it. Turn this around and we can see it on the truck. So let's kind of temporarily put that like that. Look at that. We now have light. We have a light bar. And again, we'll need to adjust the angle, but for now, we are good to go. All right, so now, before we tidy everything up, we are going to put in our rock lights. So our rock lights will go in here, and we just kind of put that like that, and then we put our, like that, and then we'll put our screws in, and we will be good to go. So I'm going to do that, and I will be back. Alright, so now we have the rock lights installed. Now I think I did it reverse, but I wanted this piece to be in back because I'm going to mount it. I'm going to mount it right here. I'm going to Velcro it or two-sided tape it right here. I plugged everything in. I programmed my channel 6 and I have lights. Now these are the different LED color lights for the rock lights. So there's red, green, blue, yellow, purple it looks like, or lavender, some type of light blue, and then there's the white. So that's pretty cool. So I can program everything from my switch, or from my radio. So I guess I don't need to have an actual separate switch. So I put that in channel 6. So now I'm gonna get everything all wrapped up here, and I will be back. Well, we've got all of our wires routed and tied down and in place. We've got our 6-inch light bar installed and hooked up to a switch. And then that's pretty bright. So that light bar is connected directly to the battery, and then we have a switch that's connected to the receiver. So it's taking a full 3S LiPo to run this light bar. We've got our rock lights installed as well. So we had red, green, blue, yellow, lavender, purple, light blue, and white, all on a switch. Well, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Please support your local hobby shop if and when you can for all of your RC needs. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.